Lip care routine for soft, plump, and pink lips. Hey beauties, ever wonder how to keep your lips soft, smooth, and oh so kissable? Tired of dealing with dry, chapped lips no matter the season? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm spilling all the lip care guide for achieving the softest lips ever. Let's dive in. Lip care routine. Exfoliate, 1 to 2 times a week. Use a gentle lip scrub to remove dead skin cells and smooth out your lips. You can make your own lip scrub using sugar, honey, and olive oil. You can use Lush Bubblegum Lip Scrub or Burt's Bees Beeswax Lip Scrub. Cleanse, daily. Gently wipe your lips with a damp cloth or cotton swab to remove dirt, oil, and bacteria. Moisturize, daily. Apply a lip balm or lip moisturizer to keep your lips hydrated and protected. Look for products containing natural ingredients like beeswax, coconut oil, and shea butter. You can use Chapstick Total Hydration, Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. Protect, daily. Apply a lip balm or lip gloss with SPF to protect your lips from the sun's UV rays. You can use La Roche-Posay Anthelios Lip Balm, SPF 50. Additional tips. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to keep your lips hydrated from the inside out. Avoid licking your lips. Saliva can dry out your lips, making them more prone to chapping. Use a humidifier. Dry air can dry out your lips, so using a humidifier can help keep the air moist. Avoid harsh products. Avoid using lip products that contain harsh ingredients like camphor, menthol, or phenol. Avoid biting or chewing your lips. This can cause irritation, dryness, and even bleeding. Remember, taking care of your lips is an ongoing process. Be consistent with your lip care routine, and your lips will thank you. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today, lovelies. I hope you found this lip care routine super helpful and that your lips are feeling soft and smooth already. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and join our fabulous community. Also, click the bell icon so you never miss out on any of my beauty tips and tricks. Drop a comment below and let me know your favorite lip care products or what you want to see next. Until next time, stay beautiful and keep rocking that gorgeous smile. Bye.